Well, good Monday morning. This is Rich, and the market's back at it again here this week. Friday going home, things looked optimistic. Looked like everybody coming out of all the news coming out of Europe was positive. We're going to fix the debt situation, at least for the moment, and people were willing to spend money and invest money back into commodity markets. Here this morning, just the opposite. We've seen the euro fall relative to the dollar. The dollar up almost a full point in its early trade today, and that has big selling back into the commodity markets. Crude oil down $1 a barrel at 92.30. Gold down $22 an ounce at 17.24. We haven't seen the start of the stock trade yet, but we would expect a weaker open here this morning. The grains, corn down 7 to 8 cents here, it looks like, this morning, with December contract at 6.48. Can't hold too much prosperity there. I guess we were excited to close above 6.51 on Friday, but now we're back below that number. Soybeans down 10 to 11 cents. The nearby November contract at 12.06 and a quarter, down 10 and 3/4. They are in or past first notice day now on beans, so we do not have any more limits on the soybean contract, on the November contract anyway, nearby, so might provide some interesting trade, who knows, here over the next few weeks. Cotton down 175 this morning at 102.62. The rice back up 2.5 at 16.7650, and wheat looks like mixed to lower trade. Chicago December down 6.5 at 6.38. Minneapolis D-Sweet up 2 cents at 9.22.5. So for the most part, looks like we're taking off some of the gains we had at the end of last week. The Commitment of Traders report released Friday afternoon showed that the spec funds last week, they were net buyers in corn, bought 29,000 contracts. That was through last Tuesday evening. Took them back up to long 187,000. Soybeans, they sold 7,000 contracts, leaving them long 47,000. And Chicago wheat, they bought 9,000 contracts, still short about 29,000 contracts. They were also big buyers in crude oil, heating oil, all the energy markets, big buyers also in gold. They bought 11,000 contracts last week. So net, it was a week where we saw money reinvested in the commodity markets, but here this morning looking just the opposite. We will get a bunch of individual analyst reports out this week as we prepare ourselves for the November 9th USDA report next Wednesday, and be interesting to start seeing what Informa and some of the other folks think that we're going to see as far as changes, not only to yields but also to demand as well. So we'll report those as we get them here this week. Have a good day.